Welcome back to Start Your Day. Justice for George Floyd. The federal trial of 3 former officers involved in his death resumed in just a few hours. Yesterday, use of force training was front and center. So let's turn now to our justice correspondent, Candace Kelley, with more insight on this. So Candace, the former commander of the training division for the Minneapolis Police Department actually testified yesterday, was on the stand. So what did she say about how the officers were actually trained to handle situations like this?
Well, Shannon, Katie Blackwell is a familiar face. She also testified in the state trial with Derek Chauvin. And what we found from her are this. A couple of key quotes that I think are really important to highlight. One, in the academy, we are trying to create leaders, not followers. And once we gain compliance, then the force stops. Now, this is very important because, as we know, these charges have to do with them needing to stop Derek Chauvin, something that the prosecutors say that they didn't do, and also the type of force that they use. What were they trained up to do? Was this excessive force? This witness said, absolutely, this was excessive force. Another thing that she went over was the aftercare, that if you have to put someone in a neck restraint with your arm, with your elbow, she even read from the training guides, she said that there's aftercare that's involved. So once you get a person under your control, that you have to turn that person over on their sides. And this is something that didn't happen. So this was very important testimony. She's actually the first officer that we have heard from in this trial. And needless to say, a very important one, really laying the foundation as to what the officers, Shannon, were expected to do.
And the next thing a lot of people saw coming from a mile away, Alexander King's attorney asked for a mistrial. Of course, the request was denied, but what happened there?
Well, his attorney asked for a mistrial because there was a specific question that was asked by the prosecution, and it goes as follows. Do you think that they did not act in a way that an officer should have in terms of not giving the duty of care? And do you think that there was excessive force used? And she said yes. And this went to the culpability of these particular defendants, and this is not allowed in court. You can't say yes or no that they did commit the crime or not commit the crime that they are charged with. So they tried to declare a mistrial. The judge wasn't having it. Certainly wants it to go very quickly, but not that quickly, Shannon. What he said was that he will remind jurors that they were not supposed to listen to that and not supposed to take that into consideration during the deliberation, Shannon.
Yeah, no one wanted that at that point. And you say it should go quickly. How long are we expecting this to be?
We expect this overall to be about 2 weeks. If you recall, Derek Chauvin's trial was about 6 weeks. So because of COVID, the judge is trying to, get his request granted and cut down this trial by quite a bit.
All right, well, let's see if it happens. Thank you, Justice Correspondent Candace Kelley, for sharing your insight. Of course, she'll keep us posted as the case continues.